And then I'll say, yeah, forget the rest. You gotta be cute and you're trying to be fly, but all you wanna be is Roxanne's guy. Because I turned you down without a frown, embarrassed you in front of your friends, but you look like a clown. And all you do is get real mad, and you talk about me and make me look bad. But everybody knows how the story goes. There's no ifs, no ands, no buts, I suppose. No cold, stuff your nose, no dope any other way. And then it won't cause no kind of pain, but yet it's still trying to be fly. I ask you a question, I wanna know why. Why you have to make a record about me?